Thank you, Giuseppe. Hello, everyone. I am Noriharu Amiya, CEO of Connective Industry Sector. I will explain the progress of Inspire 2027 in the CI sector, as well as our business strategy. Before getting into the main topic, let me briefly introduce my background. I started my career in the railway business. After serving as COO of the Rail Business Unit, Head of Corporate Strategy at Headquarters, and CEO of the Building Systems Business Unit, I've been leading the expansion of digitalized assets in HMAX as COO of the CI sector since last fiscal year. Starting this fiscal year as CEO, I will drive business transformation globally through physical AI. I look forward to your continued support. I will talk based on the following agenda. I will begin with a review of our performance. In FY25, the Lumada revenue ratio increased by 9 percentage points last year on year to 43%, and strong Lumada growth driven by AI demand enabled us to achieve an adjusted EBITDA margin of 11%. Three business areas showed particularly strong growth. The first was the facility business. In addition to the expansion of service businesses such as building systems and industrial equipment, growing data center demand provided further momentum, resulting in revenue growth of 23% year on year. The second was semiconductor business. Supported by expanding AI demand, revenue increased 26% year on year. Diversification of our semiconductor customer base also contributed significantly to performance, enabling the business to evolve into a more resilient and stable growth platform. The third is life science business. AI-driven innovation in diagnostic and pharmaceutical processes advanced significantly. Shipments of diagnostic instruments reached a record high, and the biopharmaceutical maintenance business nearly doubled compared to FY23, delivering steady growth. Based on this progress, I will now explain the vision we have for the CI sector. The CI sector aims to become the leading company in physical AI businesses for industrial domains. Our products are evolving from connected products into digitalized assets, generating data that has never existed before through advanced, highly reliable control technologies and sophisticated measurement technologies. By combining the operational data generated in the field with deep domain knowledge gained through hands-on experience and applying AI through our digital service platform, HMAX, we will autonomously optimize operations and deliver customer value through physical AI, including shorter time to market. I will now explain why physical AI serves as the growth model for the CI sector. For example, on the right-hand side, in semiconductors, validation time from development to manufacturing has increased by 50%, showing a more complex structure. And while the number of genetic tests and diagnostic methods have expanded nearly 189-fold, the complexity and sophistication of technology are accelerating dramatically. This means that shortening time to market and maximizing ROI have become challenges that customers can no longer solve on their own, making collaboration with partners increasingly essential. To address these challenges, strong products generate highly accurate data. Data from multiple products is integrated and analyzed, and insights are fed back into operations. By continuously enhancing and evolving this physical AI capability to maximize efficiency, Hitachi is uniquely positioned to deliver this customer value. I will now explain in greater detail the CI sector's business strategy based on this physical AI-driven growth model. We will concentrate our management resources on 4 areas where AI investment is particularly strong: facilities, semiconductors, medical diagnostics, and pharmaceutical manufacturing, and drive growth through our physical AI businesses. This slide shows market growth rates through FY 2030 on the left and the CI sector's growth rates on the right. We intend to outperform the market in all 4 focus areas. Starting with the next slide, I will introduce our specific physical AI initiatives in each of these priority business domains. The first focus area is facilities. In this domain, we are targeting a revenue CAGR of 16% through FY 2030. Our strength lies in our powerful digitalized assets, including elevators and HVAC equipment, supported by one of the world's largest connected installed bases of approximately 650,000 elevators. Building on these assets, HMAX for buildings, which is already deployed in Japan, China, and across Asia, will optimize building facility operations by improving not only operational and maintenance efficiency, but also overall building energy efficiency. Through HMAX for buildings, we will continue delivering a wide range of value to customers such as Mitsui Fudosan and Nomura Real Estate. In addition, as announced yesterday, we will connect HMAX for buildings with approximately 3 million HVAC units owned by our co-creation partner Bosch and provide energy optimization services on a broader scale. The second focus area, semiconductor manufacturing. In this field, we are targeting a revenue CAGR of 15% through FY 2030. Hitachi CD-SEM commands approximately 76% of global market share and offers world-leading 2-nanometer measurement technology, making it the industry standard for leading-edge semiconductor processes. Centered on CD-SEM and complemented by X-ray inspection systems, we are working with manufacturing equipment partners to build a physical AI platform that integrates deposition, lithography, and etching, the core processes that account for roughly 80% of front-end semiconductor manufacturing. By progressively deploying solutions such as our already developed Xtope IoT integration platform, we aim to reduce development time by approximately 50% while achieving high equipment utilization and improved yield. Through the expansion of HMAX, we will accelerate collaboration with Samsung and Intel, which we recently announced, and expand our physical AI business across global semiconductor manufacturers. The third focus area is diagnostics. In this domain, we are targeting a revenue CAGR of 11% through FY 2030. Through collaboration with Roche, Hitachi's clinical chemistry and immunoassay systems hold the #1 global market position. Likewise, through collaboration with Thermo Fisher, our genetic testing systems also hold the global #1 market position. Leveraging these world-leading digitalized assets, we will further accelerate collaboration with partners in molecular cancer diagnostics. Through HMAX for healthcare, which integrates data from clinical chemistry and immunodiagnostics, genetic diagnostics, and molecular cancer diagnostics, the 3 categories that account for roughly 80% of the in vitro diagnostic market, we will enable more accurate treatment selection and optimize healthcare delivery. We will expand the delivery of this value to customers, including Seegene Medical Foundation in Korea, as well as testing laboratories and hospitals around the world. The fourth focus area, pharmaceutical manufacturing. We position this as our next major growth engine and are targeting the highest revenue CAGR among our focus areas at 17% through FY 2030. By combining AI-driven analytics and simulation with bioreactors and line building capabilities, Hitachi enables faster scale-up from process development in step 1 and stable operations through AI-based maintenance planning in step 2. As a result, we have made it possible to shorten the scale-up period from process development to mass production by more than 30%. We are now further expanding our digitalized assets by leveraging spectroscopic analysis systems capable for detecting abnormalities in cells and DNA at an early stage. Through physical AI, we improve quality and yield across the entire manufacturing process. HMax for biopharma provides seamless support from lab to fab, breaking down silos between processes and delivering transformative value. Through collaboration with Daiichi Sankyo, Fujifilm, and other customer base of approximately 350 pharmaceutical companies, we will expand our physical AI business across the pharmaceutical industry. The key to accelerating the growth of our physical AI business is the Edge AI semiconductor developed by Hitachi. Compared with state-of-the-art GPUs, it delivers more than 10 times greater power efficiency, eliminates the need for dedicated servers, and enables the intelligent operation of a wide range of industrial machines and robots. We will leverage this Edge AI semiconductor through 3 approaches to expand our physical AI business. First, we will incorporate it into our world-class products, further strengthening them as next-generation Edge AI products. Second, we will implement the semiconductor in our partners' products as well, deepening co-creation and expanding customer value through physical AI-enabled collaboration among multiple products. Third, we will accelerate our Customer Zero initiative by using the semiconductor to transform our own manufacturing processes and then deploying the validated results to customers. To further strengthen and add intelligence to the products that will drive the expansion of our physical AI business, we will advance R&D through 3 strategic pillars and significantly increase R&D investments to 370 billion yen over the 3 years through FY 27. The first pillar is the advancement of measurement technologies. We will develop X-ray metrology for semiconductors and advanced materials and new laser spectroscopy technologies for pharmaceutical manufacturing, thereby strengthening our digitalized assets in measurement, analysis, and diagnostics. The second pillar is strengthening the enablers of physical AI. We will expand the lineup of Edge AI semiconductors that bring intelligence to products while accelerating collaboration with robot manufacturers to enable autonomous robotics. The third pillar, evolution of digitalized assets in the facilities domain. For data centers, we will strengthen high-efficiency UPS systems and air-cooled chillers while promoting circular economy initiatives through the expansion of green products. By FY 2030, the CI sector aims to generate all of its revenue from physical AI businesses, achieving both sustained high growth and high profitability while realizing Lumada 80-20 portfolio. To firmly establish the expansion of the physical AI businesses centered on the global top products discussed today, we will make focused investments, including M&A, in expanding our measurement portfolio and strengthening OT capabilities. We will also invest in creating the next generation of global top products in growth areas such as data centers, robotics, advanced materials, and the circular economy. At the same time, as part of our portfolio transformation centered on physical AI businesses, we announced in April this year the transfer of our home appliance business to Nojima. We will continue to sharpen our business focus and maximize business value through selective investment and portfolio optimization. Finally, I'll conclude with a summary. By accelerating the 4 initiatives shown here, including portfolio transformation centered on physical AI businesses and the expansion of our global operations, we aim to achieve revenue growth of 6 to 8% and adjusted EBITDA margin above 13%, a ROIC of 11 to 13%, and a Lumada revenue ratio of approximately 50% by FY27.